This problem can be easily solved using change of base rule. Log a base b can be written as log a divided by log b, correct or not? So log 2 divided by log 4, correct? Plus log 4 divided by log 4. Log 4 by log 4, which can be written equal to 1 also. See, I'll do like this. I'll write this as 1. So then I can write log x by log 4, correct? Log x by log 4 plus log 16 divided by log 4, right? Log 16 by log 4, that is equal to 6 minus 1. I'll take it on the other side. Why? Log a base a, as you are seeing from this particular rule only, answer will be log a by log a, that is equal to 1. So now what will happen here now? Log 2 plus log x plus log 16 whole divided by log 4, that is equal to 5. Log of 2 into x into 16, that is equal to what is it? 5 log 4. So log of 32x, that is equal to log of 4 to the power of 5. This implies 32x, that is equal to 4 to the power 5 can be written as 2 square to the power of 5. 2 to the power 5 into x, that is equal to 2 to the power 10. So x is equal to 2 to the power 5, that is equal to what? 32 is the answer to the question.